Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.